Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. The Ethereum chart has not really moved much since yesterday. In fact, it's consolidating precisely between that golden ratio level, the 61.8 retracement and the 78.6 retracement. These levels were already mentioned in yesterday's video here. It's between 3081 and 3156. So this is just an observation that we currently get a bit of consolidation in between two relevant Fibonacci levels. Obviously, that would indicate that on the smaller time frame, if we get a break above that 3156 level, which is currently perfectly being respected, then we could get to the next resistance, which opens the door to 3250, and then quite an important level at 3350. So this would be important up here. And the reason is it's not only a key structural resistance level, from this price top that was formed on the 28th of April, it is also the 100% extension level of this wave up, which started its ascent on the 13th of April, and this wave up, making it a perfect A, B, C structure. So that's the 100% extension level, which again would most likely react to 3350 level, 303.50. So the 100% extension is a common target for such a C wave, and we're nearly there. It would need to stretch a little bit higher. Then we are basically nearly there. The problem is a little bit that on several exchanges, this low here has a different price. So it has a slightly different price, making these calculations a little bit blurry. Okay, so don't seek for absolute precision. Sometimes when we have volatility events, liquidation events, then you might see small differences on different exchanges with different prices. And there is no absolute truth, right? Not Elliott wave, but crypto is a little bit like the Wild West sometimes still, where you have slightly different bottoming structures on different exchanges, making crypto ultimately a little bit more risky on the smallest time frames. Okay, but I think the next level is clear, next upside levels. Obviously, the support area has been adjusted to $2,892 and $3,033 because we've made a marginally new high, marginally higher high since my video yesterday, which means I had to adjust the support area. Ultimately, we're still looking here at a WXY structure to the downside, and in the short-term bearish count, as I said to you, this ABC structure here could react to the 100% extension, could also extend a bit higher. I mean, we will have to see. The first 5-wave move to the downside would confirm or indicate at least the onset of the C wave to the downside. So A, B, C. If it's a running flat, it might stretch higher, like for example here, 3,487, 3,575. Not really beyond that, I want to say. Maybe 3,724, but that would be quite a strong C wave then. Okay, so the bottom line is we're looking for higher until the price gives us a 5-wave decline, and this would be further confirmed with a break below 2,892, which is the lowest boundary of that orange support region. Now, this support region will have to move with the price. So as we climb higher, we will have to move the support area with it. For example, as you can see here, if the price reaches 3,348, this support area would go up as well. And that's because the support is measured based on the length of that rally, which started on the 1st of May. So as it goes higher, support goes higher as well. So short-term bearish means that this is just a B-wave rally, and it could finish basically at any point, but would most likely get to 3,348 if this is the correct count, but could fail at any time. It just, what really matters is not so much the micro count here, but the potential that we could still see another low and the 2,892 level, which needs to be observed. If we get further upside extensions, and that could be as part of an extended C wave, for example, because these are 5-wave movements, or it could be a larger wave 1 in which we've already bottomed, then I would have to assume this is a so-called truncation. As I said to you, on several exchanges, we've seen a lower low here, but more on the futures side of things, yeah, and not the spot market. And yeah, and then if we get these 5 waves filled in yellow, and we have to take it level by level, so that's why we're observing the micro support area, well, then after the next pullback, you know, we can say probably it bottomed. What it needs to do is give us those 5 waves, and then what we can do is add the next support region, which could again act as the jump off point for higher prices. So ultimately what I'm watching for right now is a reaction to support and a move into possibly further into that upside resistance area, or at least a reaction to the support area. A test of support would be great because it would give us some clarity going forward. At the moment, really, we don't really have much to work with other than a bit of a bounce there. Looks very corrective. Doesn't give me a great confidence that we've bottomed already, but it's possible. So from that point of view, we just need to wait a little bit more for more clarity, but support levels are clear. And I think the resistance levels as well. And obviously today on Sunday, we should get a little bit of end of the week volatility. But yeah, overall not much happened since yesterday. It's been a quiet weekend. That's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.